Resilience, I see as it's to do with neuroplasticity. And all that means is your brain adapts to challenges that are put upon it. It can change its structure and therefore its activity. We can define resilience as a brain that can overcome stress, that can overcome challenges. The way I see that connecting to Wrestle for Humanity and sports more generally is that sports are challenging inherently, whether it's wrestling or football, whatever sport. When you're constantly engaged in a physical activity that's challenging, you're constantly learning to overcome challenges. If you're coached correctly, then you stay in that optimal zone, which is the flow state.
So one of the things I think during Wrestle for Humanity is I want to talk about getting a deeper dive into focus, what focus really is. It's very important for children from a young age to learn and even adults for later on to at least get the awareness.
But I think one of the most interesting things about the Wrestling for Humanity project is that we'll be working with children, teaching them wrestling and also teaching them these kind of transferable life skills.
We got Lee Kemp from USA.
What we're going to transition into now is more of the mental aspects of it.
He was 8-time gold medalist, one of the greatest athletes of America. We got Dariusz Jabronowski, 3 times Olympian, and me as a applied sort of wrestling, because for over 35 years that's what I've been doing.
It's not just athletes that it's useful for, it's everybody.
Predominantly Wrestle for Humanity, we're saying this is not just for a gold medal. We can do sports for other things. Psychology is a big part of it, and we're using wrestling for other sports as a foundation, and that's going to be the weekend.